Right, we're going to be doing a perspective drawing. You can see over here, I've given you a front view and a top view of the object. What you need to do is to transfer all of that information over there to directly below this. The way that you do that is to draw some lines down from this top view, and then you slide this thing across, and you'll see how that all links up over there. Note, I have not done it in dark lines. I've done it as construction lines. I've drawn it in green so that you can see it. Do not draw that all in dark. You need to try and figure out what needs to be done in dark. Right, first of all, I'm going to look over here and say, all right, what can I see at the front over here? I've got a pointer down at the bottom. That corner over there, I'm going to call it corner A, and that corner B down at the bottom. Obviously, there it is, corner A at the bottom, corner B at the bottom. That is going to go up. I'm going to label these top corners over here, number 1, number 2, number 3. Note that there is a corner over there. It goes across. There's another corner over there. Let's call that number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. All of those corners, I can find them on this front part of this top view. So let's have a look. Number 1 is directly above A. Number 2 is across there. 3 is underneath number 2. Number 4 is over there. Number 5 is underneath number 4. I carry on across over here. Number 6 is underneath number 7. Going across, I've got number 8 above number B. All of those points are touching that picture plane, so I can draw that in onto my picture. So here goes. Draw a line from 1 to A, draw a line from 2 to 3, draw a line from 4 to 5 over there, draw a line from 7 to 6 over there, draw a line from 8 to B over there. I can draw a line going from A to B at the bottom. I can draw a line that goes from 3 to 4 over there. Note, I'm not carrying across to 4 to 7. I'm going to draw a line from 7 to 8 over there. I'm going to draw a line from 5 to 6 over there, okay? And I'm going to draw a line from 1 to 2 over there. Why didn't I draw a line going from 4 to 7? Well, there's obviously a little break in over there. You can see how I had to drop down to 5, go across to 6, and 6 to 7. That is the join between that 4 and 7 over there. Right, once I've got that, you'll see that there is a vanishing point that has been drawn directly above the stationary point. If it's not shown, that vanishing point, you draw a line up until you get to the horizon line and you mark your vanishing point. Right, once you've got that, you can now take lines going back to the vanishing point. I'm going to start out by doing point 1 and 2 over here. Line coming across from point 1, line coming across from point 2, ending up at the vanishing point. Now, you can see that I'm actually going through the vanishing point. My suggestion to you is don't go through the vanishing point. Line it up accurately, draw a line, but stop just short of that vanishing point. The reason being is that if you keep on drawing lines through that vanishing point, the size of the vanishing point is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and your accuracy is going to go down. Right, I'm going to draw another line coming across from 3 over there, and I'm going to then just have a look at that portion. You'll see that this portion over here goes all the way back to these corners at the back over here. I'm going to be able to find a thing right at the back over there. I'm going to call it, what did I get to there? 8. I'm going to call this point 9. Okay, 1 going across to 9. Let's find that corner 9 over there. How do I do that? I take a line coming from point 9, going down to the stationary point. Now, you don't need to continue that line all the way to the stationary point. You can go down until it goes over the picture plane. If it's on that picture plane, I can then drop a line coming down and place it into my picture. Try to draw these lines as perfectly straight down as you possibly can. There we go. And by doing that, that point over there, note it is linking up with number 1. There is number 1 coming across, and that point that I've just got there is number 9 then. Right, I'm going to draw that line in straight away. 1 going to 9. Once I've got that, 9 is going to go across to number 10 at the top here. Okay, so I've got a line going horizontal and parallel to that picture plane. If it's going horizontal and parallel to the picture plane, then I can go straight across over here, and I know that I will get point 10 perfectly on that line that's coming out from point 2. See, number 2 going to number 10, and I can draw in that line as well. If you wanted to, you could find number 10. Let's just label it number 10. I could find number 10 by taking a line coming from number 10, going down to the stationary point. Note, I'm not continuing. Cuts over the picture plane over there, and I can drop that down, and you'll see how that links up with point 10 over there. What is underneath point 10? Well, you can see number 2 goes down to number 3. Number 10 is going to go down to, I'm going to call it number 11. I need to find where number 11 is, and there would be number 11. It's a point view over there. If I come over here, I drop it down, and I can then draw in a line that goes straight down to 11 over there. Okay, if it's a point view over there, that means that I can drop a line perpendicularly down over there. Number 3 goes across to 11. Number 3 goes across to 11 over there. Okay, 3 going across to 11. Now, what have I got over here? I've got this little story over here. I'm going to call this point over here number 12. Okay, number 12 is linking up with point 4. I'm going to draw a line coming across to the vanishing point. There it goes. Note, I'm not going all the way to the vanishing point. I'm then going to look for number 12. How do I do that? I take a line coming from point 12 over there to the stationary point, and I drop that down into my picture. Okay, note it cuts over the picture plane, therefore it will be in my picture. There is point number 12 over there, and I can join number 4 and number 12 up. Right, you'll see a line coming across over here. I'm going to call that point number 13 over there. It's going horizontal, okay, which means that I can draw a line coming across horizontal, but where is it going to stop? Well, I've got this line coming from 7 to 13, so I'm going to draw a line coming from 7, going off to the vanishing point, and somewhere along that line, I'm going to find point 13. Drawing a line coming across horizontal over here. There is point number 13. I can join number 7 and number 13 up. I then have a look over here, and you'll see that I've got this little triangular part over here, and that is set back over there. I'm going to label this P, Q, and R. Okay, P, Q, and R on that little triangular part. There it is, P, Q, and R over there. That you can see that there is a line over there, which means that it is further back from the picture plane, or further back from the front of this thing. I need to find those points. P, Q is up over there, and R is underneath Q. Right, let's take those lines back. P, I don't think I need to worry about. Q, I'm going to have to worry about because I have a little line. Okay, let's take this back. Let's just use a different color so you can see it more clearly. I'm going to use this blue pencil over here. P over here, going back to the vanishing point. Q over there, going back to the vanishing point. And R over here, going back to the vanishing point. It's meant to be an R. Let's find P, Q, and R. Take a line coming from point P over there, down to the stationary point, crosses over the picture plane, and I drop that down into my picture, and I link it up with where P is. So my point P has moved back from that point over there to this point over here. There is my new P. P goes straight across to R. You can see it's going horizontal, so I can draw a line coming straight out from there. And I can pick up R on this line over here. There is R over there. Above R is point Q. You can see the line coming out from point Q over there, running back over there. So I can draw a line going straight up to that. And I can then join P and Q up over there. There is Q on my drawing. Note, it is in my picture now. It then goes back to the same shape at the back, okay? You can see it's going back over here. So I need to just find those corners over there, and I should be able to finish this thing off. I'm going to just draw a line coming out from this B over here, and you'll see why. There it is, going back over there. I'm going to find that corner over there, which is going to come from the very top all the way down to that line that I just drew out. Take a line coming from that back corner over there, coming down to the picture plane, dropping that down into my picture, and I can now draw that in nice and dark over there. And I'll be able to draw a line joining that up over there. I'll be able to draw a line joining that up over there. And now we must just concentrate. Note, I've got 2 lines going into that corner. I need that third line. So I need to join that point up with that. I've got a point over here, 2 lines going into that corner, and that needs to come across horizontal over there. You can see a line coming across to that corner over there. Now we can't actually see that corner in this drawing, but I know that there is a line that's going to come across perfectly horizontal over here. There we go. And you'll see over here, I also have missing information over here. I will have a line that comes from point 5 going to the vanishing point. And I need a line that is going to drop down from that corner over there, going down there. A line going across to that corner over there. And then I have a line that is going to have to come across from 1, 2 going into that corner. I need a third line that is going to come across like that. There we go. That is your drawing finished up. I'm just going to darken that up so that you can see it a bit more clearly. Right, there is your drawing done, and hopefully you can do it.